Chloe. Chloe. Who's my good girl? Who's my good girl? Are you enjoying your captain's quarters? Yes. My goodness. And Chloe's doing very well. No problems to report with this girl. Look at you. You're a good girl. And there's always birds out there. So I don't know if you could see that there's one there now, but they collect and they start to sit out there by the dozen, and she loves to sit here and just watch them. Huh, Chloe? This is your favorite spot. Yes, this is your favorite spot. Say hello to Mother. Hello, Mother. Hello. So she's doing very well. She's taking this cat is asthmatic, so she gets 2 different kinds of inhalers twice a day that she's been taking on schedule, like a trooper. Oh, Chloe. Yeah. And every once in a while I give her a drop in her eye, but it's been pretty good since she checked in. It hasn't needed to be medicated. Yes, you're such a good girl. Look at you. And she has a couple of bed choices on where she wants to lay. And Captain's quarters is nice and big, so she's right across from the fish tank. So she has a lot of stuff going on to watch. Yes, my love. And I'll try to get her in the playroom, but she does very well. And like I said, the birds, they like to sit here and watch her as much as she likes to watch them, so it's funny. Yes. Oh my goodness, look at you. Look at you. What did you do to that window, huh? She presses her nose up against the window. Look at you. You're full of fur. You're full of fur. Yes, you are. You're my good girl. You're my good girl. You're my good girl. Oh, you're my good girl. Yes, you're my good girl. Don't worry about her, Mom. She's doing good.